Hi, I'm Sobna from the Food Playground. Today I'm sharing with you my Indian breakfast, which has dosa, vade, kesari and chutneys. Why is this dish special for me? Because this is home. So this afternoon I'm making an Indian breakfast, which we call a tiffin, and it will comprise of dosa, kesari, which is a sweet dish, and a vade, which is fried dough fritters. It will be accompanied with chutney, and we'll be having masala dosa, which is dosa stuffed with potatoes. So I'm making the final touches for my chutney. I have two different types of chutney here. This is just white chutney, which is onions and coconut and chili. And the red one here, or the orange one, is made with tomatoes and red chili. The next I'm going to do is I'm going to make some vade. So for that, it is deep fried. I'll take some dough like this. Because my hand is wet, it will not stick to my hand. I make a nice hole in the center, like a donut, and I just drop it into the oil. So I'm going to let it fry, not disturb it, and then I'll start with the dosa. Now we know why dosas are so yummy, right? It's the sad ghee. Alright, this should be done. Let me just take this. One more flip. Right, here you go, an Indian breakfast. Both my boys were toddlers. One was two and a half, and one was 1.5. It was a huge transition for me. I didn't have family there. I didn't have friends there. I had to start fresh all over again. And the biggest challenge was food. The first thing I missed was mom's cooking. Going there, I didn't have any of that, and I had to push myself to learn how to cook. The multiple phone calls I've made actually cost a lot of bills because of telecom, and I used to try all the different various recipes, and slowly I perfected my skills. And I also have to say I did come to the Food Playground 14 years back to learn how to make nasi lemak. Of course, I was doing nasi lemak in Saudi Arabia, but it never tasted authentic. There was something missing. And so was chicken rice. It was such a hassle for me. I couldn't get the right recipe. So I came to the Food Playground. I took up the chicken rice class, nasi lemak class. I truly enjoyed the food. It was very authentic. And when I went back home, I practiced and practiced, and I think I perfected the skill. There was this website I was looking at Mothers at Work. And Daniel had put up an advertisement wanting to get experienced, passionate cooks. Moms who cook, right? And I thought that kind of fit the bill, and I knew Daniel by then because I came here to learn, and for me it was just a full cycle, right? I mean, I learned from him, and now it's my turn to give back. So when I came and I shared my dishes, he liked it. Whatever they know, they share it with you. So I guess that is something I really appreciate of the ladies here at the Food Playground, because they're very open and they're willing to share.